Good morning, we're here at Nancy Hepler's house. Claim number 36M5019K6, 82323. It's 88 degrees out. We have our control area here. Minimal granular loss. We have our repair area here where we're damaging this shingle that was torn by wind. If you'll see, all these wind-blown shingles have quite a bit of debris up underneath that's causing the tabs to be loose and not seal. We'll go ahead and get started here. If you'll notice, when trying to remove the shingle or the nail here for the nail above, it's went completely through the shingle just due to the age and tearing. You'll also notice the debris underneath, keeping the shingles from sealing completely down. This one tore through as well. That's the one that tore through earlier. If you can tell here, you can see some of the debris that's blown underneath here and how it's gotten over that seal strip, causing it not to be able to seal to the shingle above it. You can also see here some of the mat transfer that's happened. So here's our new shingle. We're gonna slide it up underneath. As you can tell, the appearance of this shingle is not going to be very suitable, just due to the fading that's occurred with the age of these shingles. So after we go back through, you'll notice the shingle underneath. This nail is almost pulled through. If you look over here, this shingle pulled through with the nail hole. These shingles here should be able to seal due to the seal strip being intact. This one's good. This one's good. This one has quite a bit of debris throughout. Also, you'll notice, if you look here, the shingle's starting to crease and part. And also the color difference between the two. And then if we go back, a little bit of granular loss due to bending of the older shingles and the cracking of them. You go here and look at the granular loss in the control area. Not near as bad. Due to this, what we're asking for is a full replacement due to non-repairability of damaging the shingles above it. Thank you.